I love this streak. What's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hopefully you'll stay, maybe subscribe. I don't know, it's right down below, no pressure. But today we're going to be doing a review on this wig that I have on right here right now, Bobbi Boss HD lace. You know what I'm saying? Get into it. So if you want to know about the wig, see what I think about the wig, see a little bit of styling, all of that stuff, and just keep on watching. I got you. Okay, here we have Jacinta. I think that's how you say that, Jacinta. Again, I just really love this packaging. Like, I'm here for it. It's so pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is Jacinta, and she's in the color 1B99J. I'm trying to do a little color for y'all, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm always the 1B chick. So it comes, these curls look pretty nice. This got a little bit of weight to it. This is the stock card. It comes with all of the stuffings, a net on it, and everything. I was going to skim through this, but I don't want to just breeze over it in case like you've never seen the construction of these wigs. They claim to have HD transparent lace. It has the 13x7 lace parting. So in case you do not know about these new Bobbi Boss wigs, they have like, it's all lace right here, sis. All lace. And this lace is claimed to be transparent HD lace. And it says that it has a very, very, very natural density, which you can see it really, really does. I have on Harmony right here. The construction of this wig is it has two combs behind the lace, like on the sides. It does have a comb in the back. It does have adjustable straps and the elastic band attached to it. And these do have a flex fit cap, so it stretches. Like, I thought it was gonna be like 1B Rude, 99J throughout, but it's like, it just looks like 99J. I'm not mad at it though, it looks kind of cute. I am just like dying for sugar, like, oh my gosh. By the way, these are available on shopallthingsbeauty.com. This one kind of seems like it's meant to go in a side part, because like the way they got the color set up is like it's meant for a side part. Which I'm not mad at, because I kind of wanted to wear this in a side part anyway. Again, this hair is just not as nice as I would like it to be. Like, I feel like this hair should be like better quality. Okay, let me cut this lace off. I'm into this little streak, girl. Yes, especially when it falls down like that. First and foremost, I love this little streak that it has going on. I did not know that it had this little streak in it. I thought it was just going to be a simple little 1B99J, but it came with the flavor, okay? Sprinkle a little flavor in here. I love this. I love this. It's not too much. It's nice and subtle, but it's still popping and cute. Like, I'm here for it. I'm here for it all. Now, I feel like these wigs do kind of like lay very flat and they look nice without like putting anything to adhere it. But if you're going to go out in public, you're going to kind of need to use something to like keep it nice and flat so that it's not like, so that it really is undetectable as a lace can be. Like I keep saying, like, lace is lace. No matter how blendable and HD-ish it is, you're gonna see somebody's lace if you're in person with them. You just are. It's a wig. Like, it's just, so, yeah, in order for it to be as undetectable as possible, you're gonna have to put something on it to like lay it down. I only use like a tiny little dab of what? That's I don't know what that is, but I use a tiny little dab of Got To Be Glue gel, and I literally just tap 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 where I want the lace to be like the flattest, and then I just press it in, and that's really it. But yes, for like I'm really liking this color. Like, I've been trying the color, you know, I've been tasting the rainbow. I already showed y'all the construction of the wig and everything like that. This one is somehow, some way a little bit bigger than the other one. Like, the other one definitely fit a bit tighter, and this one I had to go in and adjust the straps. Girl, I had to go in and adjust the straps almost all the way. Like, this one is bigger. I don't know how or why or what, but I just know that it fits bigger on my head than the other one does. So this one is definitely big head friendly. I love this streak. I'm really anxious to see how it'll look in the center part. But I'm gonna move on. Move on from the streak. We get it. The streak is cute, girl. Move on. I digress about the streak. Okay. The hair. This hair is tangly. It is. It's tangly. It's tangly. It's tangly. This wig is a tangler. It is. Tangling up. Like, this wig is a tangler, and I wish that the hair was better quality. Like, I'm able to run my fingers through it now, but I know that it's going to be tangling up because it was tangling up before I brushed it out. And you know why I think this wig is such a tangler? Because it's kind of thick. It's on the thicker side. If I could find my thinning shears, I would definitely thin this wig out like 100,000%. I would. And I just really don't know where they went. You know, I love a natural density kind of wig, so I definitely would thin this out if I had some thinning shears. Now, as for shedding, I am getting shedding for sure. It's not like OD shedding, but it's shedding nonetheless, like a couple of strands. I just really love the little streak that it got going on. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so into it. I know I said I was getting off of it, but now I'm back on it because I can't get off of it. I cannot. I don't know why I cannot, but I cannot get off of it. I need to get off of it, but it's so cute. Same super light lace. But like I said, like, when you add the powder to it and you do your head like this, you can't really tell. It's only when you like got your head back like this where you could really see. This is great. That is not, you know? Okay, so I will leave the direct link to the wig down in the description box, so be sure to check that out. And give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. That really helps your girl out, okay? Give me a thumbs up. And also to drop that in the comments and leave me a comment, okay? And make sure you're subscribed, okay? If you're not subscribed, please take the time to do so now. It's right down below. It's free. It's a click away. And then after you do that, sis, hit the notification bell next to it, because listen, that's just what I gotta tell you to do now. It ain't me, it's YouTube, okay? So hit the subscribe button and then hit the bell next to it, because that's important, okay? Thanks. I hope you enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.